Tired of spending hours making chicken tikka only to end up with dry, bland, and not char-grilled chicken pieces? Well, let's fix that. Today, I'm showing you my recipe to make bite-sized chicken tikka that turn out juicy, flavorful, and have that tandoor-style grill marks, all in just 20 minutes in your air fryer. And the best part? These tikka bites are so versatile. Add them to your salad, put them in a wrap, with some yogurt sauce, or eat them with your favorite dip. Namaste, welcome to Flavors of Home with Rash. If you're new here, I share easy, delicious, family favorite recipes that you'll love. Please like, subscribe, and share with others, and write me a comment. This really helps me reach more people. Thank you. First, let's make the creamy yogurt dip so that it has time to develop its flavors in the fridge. In a bowl, combine 1 cup of plain unflavored yogurt, 1/4 cup of sour cream, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, salt to taste with ground black pepper, handful of freshly chopped coriander, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a squeeze of fresh lime juice. Add 5 to 6 dashes of your favorite chili sauce. This is optional. Mix all the ingredients until smooth and creamy, then pop the bowl in the refrigerator to chill so the flavors will blend beautifully. This sauce is perfect with the chicken tikka. For the chicken marinade, you'll need 1 cup of plain unflavored yogurt, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. This will give the chicken its traditional bright red color without the heat. Now for some heat, add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder or use paprika for milder heat, 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, 1 tablespoon of ground coriander, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of dried fenugreek crushed to a powder, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Whisk everything together until it's smooth and creamy and you see no white streaks of yogurt left. Time to add the chicken. I'm using boneless, skinless chicken thighs cut into bite-sized pieces, perfect size to stay juicy after air frying. Massage the chicken to ensure each piece is fully coated with the yogurt marinade. Cover and place bowl in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours. Best results marinate overnight in the fridge for maximum flavor. The next day, place the marinated chicken pieces into a lightly oiled air fryer basket in a single layer. Don't overcrowd them. Air fry at 390 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. Halfway through, check on the chicken and flip the pieces so they cook evenly. Once golden all over, they're done. Oh my goodness, the aroma filling my kitchen is amazing. It's making me hungry. Wow, just look at these chicken tikka bites. They're golden, juicy, char-grilled, and perfectly tender. And that's it. Air fryer chicken tikka bites. I made a chicken tikka wrap with mine, added baby spinach, freshly chopped salad, and dressed it with the creamy yogurt sauce that we made at the start. Let me know in the comments, how will you eat yours? Please hit like, share with others, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Oh, and check out these videos linked on the screen now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.